Welcome to WealthWise. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone involved in international trade Incoterms. Have you ever wondered what they are, why they exist, and how they impact global trade? Well, stick around because we're breaking it all down in a simple and practical way. Before we get started, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.
What are Incoterms and why were they created? Incoterms, short for International Commercial Terms, are a globally recognized set of rules that define the responsibilities of buyers and sellers in international trade. They were first introduced in 1936 by the International Chamber of Commerce, ICC, with one key goal: to simplify and standardize trade processes worldwide. Before Incoterms, international trade was filled with confusion and misunderstandings. Questions like, who pays for shipping, or who handles customs clearance, often led to costly disputes. Incoterms were created to provide clarity and consistency, making global trade easier, fairer, and more predictable. Who updates Incoterms and how often? Incoterms are not static, they evolve to keep up with the changing world of trade. The International Chamber of Commerce, ICC, is responsible for reviewing and updating them approximately every 10 years, with the latest version being Incoterms 2020. Each update takes into account changes in global trade practices, emerging transportation methods, and legal developments to ensure Incoterms remain relevant and effective in today's dynamic market. Why are Incoterms so important? In global trade, misunderstandings can be costly, both financially and legally. Incoterms eliminate uncertainty by clearly defining who is responsible for transportation, insurance, customs duties, and risk transfer. This makes transactions smoother and minimizes potential disputes. Using the correct Incoterm can protect businesses from unexpected costs and ensure seamless cross-border operations, making them an essential tool for importers and exporters alike. Are Incoterms legally binding? While Incoterms themselves are not laws, they become legally binding once both parties include them in a contract. This means they carry significant weight in international transactions and can be enforced in case of disputes. If disagreements arise, courts and arbitration bodies can use Incoterms as a reference to resolve the issue fairly. However, it's crucial to specify the applicable legal jurisdiction in the contract to avoid complications. The benefits and drawbacks of using Incoterms. There are plenty of benefits to using Incoterms. They provide clarity, reduce risks, and improve efficiency, allowing businesses to engage in international trade with confidence. However, incorrect usage of Incoterms can lead to unexpected costs or liabilities. That's why it's crucial to fully understand their meaning and implications before including them in contracts. Where do Incoterms apply in trade? Incoterms are used in both international and domestic trade, especially in contracts related to shipping, logistics, and customs clearance. They are applicable across various industries, from agriculture to manufacturing, ensuring that everyone involved in a transaction is on the same page. Handling disputes involving Incoterms. Even with clear guidelines, disputes can arise. If they do, they can usually be resolved through negotiation, arbitration, or legal proceedings, depending on the contract terms. For businesses seeking expert guidance, the ICC offers resources and services to help navigate Incoterms-related challenges efficiently. What's next? We've just scratched the surface. In our upcoming videos, we'll take a closer look at each Incoterm individually, explaining what they mean and how to use them effectively in your business. So, if you want to gain a deeper understanding of Incoterms and their applications, make sure to stay tuned. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and help you navigate the world of international trade. Thanks for watching WealthWise, and we'll see you in the next video.